Oh, for God's sake. I don't know where to start from.
Grips.
Grips. Well, I've got ODI extra long necks, ODI bar ends, Mutiny Glamroid bars, Odyssey lever, and vocal cables, Eclat stem, Odyssey detangler, or whatever you want to call it, total guy forks onto the front wheel, profile hub with the hub guards and the blank pegs, pretty sweet, alienation rim with I don't know what spokes, and then the frame is an Eastern Grim Reaper, 40 quid, bargain, Demolition Flats D seat, don't know what seat post, profile cranks with Odyssey JCPCs, fly calipers, and basically the same wheel on the back with the profile hub and the hub guard and then the alienation rim, and profile sprocket. If you can't see it, it's like there, trusty sprocket, and shadow chain, good chains, and Maxxis grifter, and that is my bike check.